Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Aslin. My name is Afiqah Binti Abdul Rashid and my matric cards number is 2116908. I represent my group Laravel, to give an overview of our prototype based on our use case online charity management system. As you can see on the screen, this is homepage that contain name, Easy Donate, and also the logo of the website Easy Donate. And at the left side of the logo, there is a menu button in here, and on the right side of the name of the website, there's notification button, there is email button, and also the register button. Besides that, homepage give preview ongoing events, and also the event is created by the NGOs. The event that created by the NGOs will be categorized, and the category that available is food, medical, education, and also disaster. So now our focus is to make donation. Before that, user have to log in if they have an account. For the user don't have any account, they have to sign up. The user should click at the register button. Then the system will display the sign up and log in page. So to anyone who have the account, they can log in. So choose your account. And the system will display the home page of the website. After that, user should click to menu button, and it will display home, event, donation history, donation, about us, and also settings. Then user should click the events. The system will display ongoing events and also the trending event that created by the NGO. User can choose a preferred event to donate. So, for example, the user prefer to donate the event that Wakaf Madrasah Cambodia. The system brings user to donate page that contain information about the event, such as this description in here about the Wakaf Madrasah Raudatul Ulum Ad-Diniyah at Cambodia, and also the location, the place that held the event held, the target amount, such as example here RM 20,000, and the current raise money. If user interested and want to continue the donation to donate to the event, the user should click on donate the event button. Then the system will display payment page. The payment page contains select amount. After the user select the amount, they should fill in the detail, the payment information detail. They have to choose the method, the payment method. After choose the payment method, they should fill in the card number. The expiry date of the card. I will show the example, and also the CVC number. After they fill in the payment information, then the user should click the donate button. The system confirm the payment, and the system display payment successful to the user. And lastly, the system bring user back to the home page, and this is the last step. This brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.